Hello friends, welcome back to Urban Shoes. We are back with another new video of unboxing. Unboxing of a great mobile, Redmi 8A Dual. So here we are with its specifications and the box contents of this mobile, how it comes to us if we order that, and what are its specifications and what are its features that will enhance our lifestyles and make our work easy and will provide a certain great user interface towards us, and what will be the attracting functions of this mobile. So here we are with the unboxing of Redmi 8A Dual. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and at last I am saying you, so please share this video. And our loyal subscribers, thanks for making this month a very special month towards us. We The last two back videos have got all 100 views. Thank you for so much. Both the videos have crossed 100 views, and the second last video has crossed 250 views. So thank you for your loyalness. And let's start our video without making it much longer. So let's start it. Now we are going to unbox this Redmi 8A mobile. So while unboxing, first this Amazon case came to us. Now we are opening this case, and here is the first look of the mobile. So you can see this is the case in which the mobile has come to us. It is a Redmi 8A Dual mobile with MI logo here, and number 1, 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM variant mobile this is, and you will get another more variant mobile on the Amazon, but I have ordered this one to review it. It's made in India. You can see it's made in India. Its color is sea blue, and some of its features are 13MP plus 2MP AI artificial intelligence dual real camera with 8 megapixel of selfie camera and a battery of 5000 mAh type battery, up to 18 watt fast charging. You can see that this phone has got an 18 watt fast charger, which is really commendable, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 come here. You can see here that Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor, octa-core processor, which is the best processor on the mobile. Not I am talking about not Snapdragon 439, but of octa-core processing. Octa-core processing is the time-based processor that you can see, and some of its features are mentioned below, which you can see after pausing the video. And this is all from the box. And if you will see the price here, you can see its price here. You can see its price here, 8,999 rupees. So now we are going to unbox this product. So to unbox it, first I will keep it down, and then I will try to cut the seal of it. As the seals are perfectly packed, so therefore I am unboxing it. And now nothing to do while leaving it to open. It will automatically open. Now first, after unboxing the box, let us flip it aside. And first we have got this box. Firstly, see what are the contents of this box. So the first content which we will see after opening the box is the semi-ejector tool, which is a very important tool which we see in a mobile, which is a very important tool. This is used to take out the SIM slot. And a user guide or user manual is provided to us in this box, and nothing is in this box, so let's flip it aside. And here is the main content of the box, that is our phone. So let us keep it aside and first see what are the remaining box content of the boxes. So here is a protective case, and here you can see that a charger is provided of let me see how many. Its output is 5 volt and 2 ampere, and input is 100 volt and 240 ampere. You can see here. Okay, this is a, let me see that whether it is a type C cable or a USB. Yes, it's a type C cable. Let me open it and show it to you all. That is a USB port to type C cable. Here is the type C cable, and not a similar USB port to small USB port cable, which is pretty good in this price range and upgrading means. Now as we have seen all the box contents, nothing is left in the box, and let us flip all the contents aside, and let me bring this mobile near, and I will remove it from the covering. And what a pretty glue it has. It has a nice good covering of the protective things. And here also we can see that let me remove its sticker. And you can see what a bag it has. It is a plastic bag and has a pretty good coloring on it. Bag is pretty vibrant and gets in a good touch, and let us feel that it is a pretty flagship phone. While not it's a flagship phone, but it provides a look of pretty. Phone. And let me remove the covering of here, or let me first switch it on. Let's see whether it's going to be switched on or not, and let me remove this covering first. It's so satisfying. Now it's booting up, as you can see. Let me boot it. Now as we can see that it has got the UI, that is user interface of its own, that is MIUI 11, which is very fast operating system, and it is a pretty good operating system in this price range. So let us go further and choose our language as English, region India, and setting region is happening. Now network is connecting. Let us skip it. Terms and conditions are given over here. Now all the terms and conditions are read by me, therefore I am further skipping this faster. Now here are the some things which are given: install and update. Just a second. Now after setting the password, all the settings, let me proceed further and choose a theme. Let me choose the limitless theme, which I think is pretty good. I am choosing the limitless theme and proceeding further. Because we are limitless and we are urban shows, you know. and you have to subscribe our channel. You also know that because we provide you with the latest gameplay videos, latest updatements, and now setup is complete. You can see that 11 Violet Indigo interface has given over here. That means we will be provided with a similar interface if we open the mobile, and setup is complete. Now we have to rock it further as said by the company. Now as the phone is ready to go, now we should first increase its brightness. That you will see that the brightness is more than further. So the things we are provided on the main screen are the time and the data. If we will provide, then it will provide us the temperature and other things also. And the gallery, Play Store are already provided. It has got a Mi browser also, and something to like Mi Play Store also on this app. And settings, let us first go to the settings and see what are the specifications of this phone. Now as we can see about phone section, that its name is Redmi 8A Dual, and its storage is total 32 GB, of which we are provided with 20.7 GB, 74 GB. And if we see all specs of it, then we will see that its model is given here, and CPU is octa-core max 2.0 GHz CPU it has got, and kernel version you can see here. And internal storage, as I have told you that its internal storage is. Now as we see its status, these are the things that are provided in the status. We have, as the phone is booted, we have got 59% of the battery remaining. Now as we have seen all the specs of this phone, we will see that the Android version of this phone is 9. Now you can see that it has got Android Pie, that is the 9th version of Android. So it's a good thing that we are seeing. And some of the things that are provided in the MI phone, which are some great features like MI Pay, MI Store, and the MI Remote Control, are the some of the things which are great and which are really appreciable. And some things like Google search are provided here on this, and shortcuts are also provided in this phone. So now this is the overall view of what the UI of this phone consists of. Now as we see the camera of this mobile, it is a pretty good camera in this price range of that it has got a 13 MP and 2 MP rear dual camera, and 2 MP is in depth camera. And the features that we see are short video, photo, portrait, and pro version, which are really good features. As we see, pro version gives us a similar version of not I can say that it will give you a DSLR type photography, but a little of similar type of photography that a DSLR takes. And some of the things are provided here, you can see. Now in the end of the video, I'll provide you with some of the photos that are clicked from its front facing camera and the back facing camera, you can see here. So let us end this video with this note, and I hope that you liked our video and unboxing, and it would have given a pretty good knowledge about this phone to you all. And and then I will say goodbye to all and meet in the next video. Thank you, friends.